How to install the Google Voice app on Android. First of all, open the Play Store on your device and tap the search button at the bottom right corner. In the search bar, type in Google Voice and hit search. From the search results, locate the official Google Voice app developed by Google LLC. Tap on it to open the app page. Next, tap the install button and wait for the download and installation to complete. This may take a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Once it's done, tap open to launch the app. Now you will need to sign in with your Google account. Make sure you are using the account you want to link with Google Voice. After signing in, the app will ask you to choose or link a Google Voice number. Follow the on-screen instructions to select your preferred area code and choose from the available numbers. Once everything is verified, you are ready to use Google Voice. You can now send and receive text, make calls, and check voicemails all in one place. Now you know how to install the Google Voice app on Android. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.